What you got there?
Roof cleaner, simple green. That's what I'm going to use to clean the roof. We haven't cleaned the roof since we bought the rig back in October. Haven't been parked under many trees, but it's definitely time to get the roof clean. So we're going to go up, clean the roof today, and then when we're done cleaning the roof, we're going to wash the outside of the rig. So kind of RV maintenance day today. Yay, because it's only like 95 degrees, so we figured what better way to stay cool than wash the rig.
Get your hiney up there, boy.
Yes, ma'am. Hand me the brush. Baby, it's hot outside. So great day to do some RV washing maintenance. We're gonna do the roof first. I started out this morning by trimming some of the trees behind us because when we parked, spring hadn't really come yet. There were no leaves, but as the leaves grew on the trees and they started growing a little bit, they were hanging on our rig and touching our rig. So I trimmed those back this morning. And while I was up here, I noticed, roof's a little dirty and we haven't washed it since we bought the rig. So today's a great day to wash the roof. And with it being so hot, maybe it's a way to stay cool at the same time. And so we're gonna start with the roof. We're using a solution of Simple Green, about 10 to 1. I dumped about yay so much in the bottom of a 5-gallon bucket. I'll fill it up with water. I've got a brush that I'm gonna use. I just watched a wasp go into our AC, so that means AC maintenance is gonna be coming up to make sure they're not putting a nest in there. Because we don't want that, and we need to clean them anyway. It's been 6 months and they've been getting used since we spent winter on the coast of Texas. So I'll stop babbling, I'll throw some water in the bucket, get the brush wet, and start getting the roof going.
There's something about you that caught my eye. There's something so true that sparks a light. And I don't believe in love first sight, but I can't deny this thing I found. I'm not saying that you would change my life, but what I'm saying is you make me come alive. I'm not saying.
All right, so we are going to start on the front and work our way back. And we're going to do one side and then we'll move our Starlink to the other side and see if it gets better reception.
That you are just my type, but what I'm saying is you make me come alive.
So while you're washing, you can also do a lot of inspecting, and we'll show you all of the places that you need to inspect.
I'd rather be in this state of mind. I'd rather be in this state of mind.
Look at that. We've even had a rainstorm and that still looks great.
All right, well that was pretty easy.
So I think that our feet and stuff and sandbags, rock bags, are definitely working very well. There's no marks on the roof.
No marks, no dirty, no nothing. Everything's staying kind of clean, which I like to see. Now we repositioned it because we had a little bit of blockage, and I was thinking maybe I'll be able to get a little more clearance if I moved it this way based on the way it's angled.
Oh, it just moved.
Reacquiring.
Look at that.
All on its own.
Hey, you know what, hon? I think you need a little hose down. You look a little sweaty.
Go for it.
Oh, does it feel good?
Uh-huh. Oh my God, I get the backside.
Huh. Yeah. Hot.
Okay, that definitely felt good.
Right?
But now back to work.
Okay, get back to work. Stop goofing off and playing silly games. All right. So here's before any washing with a sponge and only the broom.
The brush.
The brush. We are using this car washing brush here. And then this is after, so it's definitely, the sponge has definitely cleaned a lot more of the grit off of here than what the broom is getting.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
you just got to get down on your hands and knees and wash.
So why do you need to clean this lap sealant?
Oh, yes.
Because you want, while we're up here washing, I'm also inspecting, because this lap sealant will eventually get some cracks in it, and then those cracks become a point where water leaks in. So when it's nice and clean is the perfect time to get a good eyeball on it and make sure that you don't have any cracks, and if you do, to get them filled early. Now, so far I haven't found anything that I need to patch, although I do have some lap sealant that if I needed to, I could. So we're just gonna keep on washing.
How about a little spray?
You need some water?
Ha!
There you go. How's
Oh,
that?
thanks for washing my hand off there.
You're
That feels
welcome.
good. It's so hot out here.
It is. It's great.
Look at the difference in this right here.
Oh yeah.
That's a big difference. We're really getting some cleaning done.
We are. Hey, look how much sweat I'm doing.
Oh my gosh, you're working so hard, you're sweating like
crazy.
big time.
I'm dripping sweat.
You walk like a queen, you rule my mind. Nothing more to feel with you, I'm done. And I don't believe in love first sight, but I can't deny this thing I found. I'm not saying that you would change my life, but what I'm saying is you make me come alive. I'm not saying that you are just my type, but what I'm saying is you make me come alive. Ooh, I'd rather be in this state of mind. Ooh, I'd rather be in this state of I want to know you, but I don't know how. 'Cause every time I bump right into you, I get all tongue-tied. Want you to know me, but I'm way too shy. I can't just go around admitting that it's you I like. I wish that I had guts enough to flirt a little, but I'm too scared I'll fail. I wish that I could listen to the voice inside me, a voice that always says, give it a go, don't waste your time, 'cause you're running out. Give it a go and ask around, only takes one try.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I don't know about what, that much?
That looks good to me. So, of course, after you wash the roof, now it's time to wash everything else. We're gonna start on the shady side and move to the sunny side. Maybe by the time we're done with the shady side, the sunny side might be in the shady side. Did you follow? And the front, it's just gonna always be in the sun.
This is Alice's logic, so we're just going with it.
Ah! That's nice and cool.
Right?
It does keep you cool.
I thought you'd enjoy the little misting.
Oh, I
action.
might need some more sunscreen too.
Right?
So when you're washing your RV, it's a great time to check and just, you know, look over everything because you're touching everything. So you may as well look and see if you have any problems that need to be fixed. All of the seals are good on your slides and, you know, all that kind of fun stuff that comes with an RV. So that is washing it, great time to check for everything. The other thing that's good, she let somebody else wash it. The cameraman's got a hard job here.
I just can't read you when you pass me by. Sometimes you look my way and say my name and I turn around. But when I see you, you just walk on by. It's like you wanna talk but get caught off by your own mind. I wish that I had guts enough to flirt a little, but I'm too scared I'll fail. I wish that I could listen to the voice inside me, a voice that always says, give it a go, don't waste your time, 'cause you're running out. Give it a go and ask her out, only takes one try, yeah. Even if she tells you no, then at least you know.
So it looks like we made a very good decision of doing the shady side first and the sunny side second, because there's cloud cover now and a lot of it is in the shade. So that's a really good thing. So now we can just wash the other side. Well,
It took about 3 to 4 hours to wash the roof and then wash the entire outside of the RV.
and how many showers did we get?
A lot, because it's like 95 degrees outside today and the humidity is up around like 60 or so. I think the UV index is 10 out of 10.
Lots of sunscreen.
So plenty of trips to the sunscreen bath. But it's done.
She's all clean.
I still need to clay bar the front cap and wax it, but that's for another day.